Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to fix League of Legends if it's not opening. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. First, go to your search bar and type Client. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Then, right-click again and choose Open File Location once more. In this folder, find Client Services, right-click on it, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, and enable Run this program as administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Next, go back to the top and open the Riot Games folder, double-click on League of Legends, locate the League client, right-click it, and open Properties. Apply the same compatibility settings, disable full screen optimization, and run as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Now, go back again and open the Game folder. Find League of Legends, right-click it, and repeat the same steps under Properties is greater than Compatibility. Click Apply, then OK. Close the folder. Do the same for your desktop shortcuts. Right-click each shortcut, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and enable the same two options. Apply the changes and click OK. Finally, right-click the main League of Legends icon, go to Properties, and make sure the compatibility settings are applied there as well. Once everything is set, double-click League of Legends and wait for it to launch. It should now work properly. If the issue still isn't fixed, restart your computer and try again. That's it. Hopefully, this helps you get the game running. See you in the next one.